And that's what they like to say. That's how they like to say that we're not the Jews, because they say, well, the Jews served that captivity in the scripture, but they never talk about that. They never talk about that second captivity that even Jesus prophesied about, that you're going to be carried away with ships to serve 400 years of captivity in a world that you never known. So for for Jesus to make that sort of prophecy, saying that you're going to go serve 400 years in slavery in a land that you never known, and to a God that you've never known, that your forefathers have never known, that's how we connect ourselves to the second 400 years that you're supposed to serve, when you go on ships. And I think that the 400 years that we did in Egypt is what we were saved from. When he said, "Oh, Pharaoh, let my people go." That's the first 400 years we served in Egypt over there in Africa. And then years later, centuries later, we're then going to serve another 400 years. Is that not the story?
And to Ali's all I see for me question, I think the world is round. All I see for me, I know people out there believe it's flat, but I think it's round. What y'all think?
We'll open up a new can of worms with that.
I think it's round.
We don't put that motherfucker round.
Why do you think it's flat?
I don't know if I'll say it's go as far as saying it's flat, but I don't think that motherfucker round either.
What kind of
Wow. You know why?
why, Cairo?
You ever look through a telescope? When you look through a telescope, the sun is round. Mars is.
Yes, I made the same point to Jamie and other people. Thanks, Cairo. That's my girl. My bad. That's my sister. You got a man, so I'm gonna say that's my sister. I made the same point. Come on, Cotton.
Then I'm fucking with you.
Made that same point, Cairo. You can look through a telescope and everything is round. If you remember that thing.
Do it.
I don't give a damn what y'all saying. There, I don't think that shit round.
Hey, that's your thought. But the fact, what Cairo is saying is a fact. The sun is round. The moon is round. You can, with your naked eye, you can look in the sky now and see the moon is round. If it's not, yeah. So, your head.
They got to do it in that.
I appreciate it.
I would say your head is what I was about to go ahead and go to. I think that shit is damn near like a motherfucking spear, like a top or some shit. That's what I think it is.
So that means so you saying it's a round, flat?
Yeah.
Nah.
No.
So the sun is round and flat too. The moon is round and flat.
I'm getting close to that motherfucker. You don't know.
So you don't believe it, like Cairo just said. And I appreciate you so much for making that point, Cairo. I make that point all the time. I'll let you speak because I've said it enough. Yeah, it's
You hear why he don't think that it's flat? I mean, why he doesn't think that? Why doesn't he believe that it's round when every other planet as an ignorance for us is round? Even the sun, even the moon.
Y'all seen that shit?
You were the first person, Cairo.
I ain't seen that shit.
With your naked eye. Come on. Cairo, you the first person I heard make that come. With your naked eye.
And they're round.
They're all round.
Never seen that shit.
They got rovers on Mars. Elon sending rovers to Mars. Like, come on.
You think you know what Elon's saying he doing? Did y'all see that shit y'all self?
What he was just on Elon's side when he
I gotta say, get him solo. Get him solo. He do it all the time. That's why he like that's something we started before.
And I think he looked at.
Yeah, things got wrong. I done told him that too. Like, Jamie, you just trying to buy time to think. But I
don't like. I mean, I don't get out of talking and shit. I said, we used to up this.
He think the word the Earth out of every other planet is.
I'm asking y'all. Oh, you said you can see it with a telescope and all that.
Your naked eye, you can see him.
I understand the moon and the sun. I'm asking the other damn planets.
They're all round, as she said. So what you saying?
All right, I'm steady going around the question I'm asking. Have you looked with your own goddamn eyes through that telescope and seen the shit?
Jamie, we have the privilege to go to the Griffith Observatory right here in Los Angeles and look at all those planets with the naked eye. I mean, not the naked eye, with the telescope.
And that's
so yeah, they.
Observatory in LA.
Jamie.
What?
Have you ever seen them flat? When they looked at, I think they couldn't hear.
Have I ever seen one flat? What are you talking about?
the planets or Earth flat.
I didn't think of that. Like a damn dome or some kind of similar to like a sphinx.
To say, man, this is get him, Cairo.
Those fools, man.
Your eyes are round.
Like I'm describing it. It's made exactly like I'm describing it, the Earth to be.
So
Right
what
there.
if it's a sphere? What are you saying? Like it's like a half pie? Like what is a sphere?
It's like, bro, like if you're a fan of Dragon Ball Z, right? You know how the lookout looks? It's like that.
I don't know what that means.
I was gonna say that, Cairo. Cairo on win tonight. The spirit is round. Yes, it is.
To what I'm talking.
Yes, it is. The spirit is round. Spirit within spirit.
Talking about that one, it's not necessary. It's kind of stretched out. What is it called?
Okay, just give read Robbie Ronald after you.
Read Robbie Ronald. Yeah.
Robbie Ronald said a spear is down. He went perfectly round. He must be a scientist or something. A spear is a perfectly round geometrical object in three-dimensional space. There you go, Jamie. Get around that. I don't really waste time on this topic. It's right. Cairo is the first person I heard say the answer. I always say, look in the sky with your naked eye. And all it's round. So I don't waste much time on this. And that's with the naked eye.
The stars, that should be round.
Right. The black hole is round. And now the black hole might be, flat, but it's just pulling stuff. The black hole absorbs everything. The pupils in our eyes are the human version of black holes, because the black part of our eyes is always recording.
I have spoken by saying sphere, but I'm saying like I said, this is what the fuck I'm talking. If anybody Dragon Ball Z fan, you know what this is. Like this.
I don't know what that is. That's a cup. That's a bowl.
I said it's like a spin top. It's round.
It's like a bison. Basin. I don't know what that is.
Yeah, so if you put the top, so you're saying that's the Earth?
No, I'm not saying that's Earth. I'm saying the Earth is
I
like,
see what he's saying. I see his point. I mean, yes, it's kind of related to the same thing we're saying.
but a full goddamn circle this is not a full circle.
I see what he's saying. Yeah. That's a valid point.
But to your point, Cairo, when you take Saturn, Saturn is round with a ring going around it. So how is Saturn flat? We're just having fun at this point.
My thing is, bro, I don't believe shit these folks say. I think whatever they saying is a fucking lie.
But if you can see with your naked eye, I mean, come on now. So Ant Mango 1933 say, explain the firmament.
See it with his naked eye. You never look.
I seen the sun and the moon. I ain't seen none of the mother planets y'all talking about.
So what shape is the sun and the moon?
It look rounded.
He said it look round.
He said it look round.
He said it look round.
So what, Carol?
Lord have mercy. And we done converted Cairo. Cairo said, Jesus Christ.
He have the audacity. This why he called it look round.
No, I said it look rounded. I said it right there with confidence. But what I'm saying is the other planets that y'all are claiming that we got proof of, I have never seen that shit. And then this is the thing. I can keep going if y'all really want to. I'm sitting in there.
You never looked through it.
And that look, even through the telescope, that's day technology. They can manipulate this.
So that's just when you put on a pair of glasses. I mean, a telescope is an advanced version of you putting on bifocals. So you don't believe bifocals? It helps our vision. That's pretty much what they're going with. I'm a scientific person. Faith matters, but I try to apply as much science stuff we can measure before I activate the faith. So I mean, come on, that's instruments from yeah.
Right, he talking about they can manipulate the telegraph. Now he knows.
That man go 1933 said, "Hey, glad they coming after your theory. I'm with you." So that man think it's flat too. But y'all good luck, y'all, bro. SG say that looked like a half cut onion. It does. SG say that look like a SG. I missed some comments.
That's why they say fucking up right now, because they know what I'm saying is I'm gonna have to punch to my boy now. Say that like that.
So gonna flip your question on you. Where's your proof that it's flat?
I never tried to force nobody to believe that it is.
Right, so Ant-Man asked about the firmament. The firmament is above the sky. It's above. It's like space. It's probably beyond space. But we'll find out at some point. But Cairo made the best points. That with our naked eye, we can see round, what is it called? The celestial bodies. And with the instruments we use with telescopes and all that stuff, you can zoom in. And bro, but all the nations of the world, I think all the nations put in together to do what they call the Hubble telescope. I don't think that's specific to the U.S., United States. I think all nations are invested in the Hubble telescope, and that's how they're getting us these images. So if you saying that's fake,
the Hubble telescope that they sent out into space, remember? The very first one. They still use that same telescope to this day, the Hubble.
Look at that. So
they still use, it's a satellite, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a satellite. Well, I don't know if it's a satellite, but it's definitely a telescope. Somebody on the water. Talia said somebody. Talia been hanging in there with us too. Our bad, Talia. All right, somebody see. Robert said, "What's the point about?" You know what? Ron, I told my college classmate that shit. What's the point to all of this? Science, the Bible, mythology, or world history? Good question. But I remember my college class roommate asked me. He the one who brought the flat Earth shit to my attention. And I'm like, bro, if it is flat, how does that benefit us in this world? What should we do with that knowledge? If it is flat, how does that improve the quality of life for us in this world? Whether it's round or flat, what do we do with that knowledge? So that's what Ronald asked us. What's the point? I would say world history. Out of the options you gave us, Ronald.